Are you one of the 1,000 people out there who truly wants to have a beautiful stand of turf or grass? Check this video out. I'll show you how to put sod down. Here's an example of sod that's rolled up into strips that's stacked onto a skid. Notice that the green is on the inside and the brown side will be the root system. You can also use a lawn roller shown here. This woman is pushing down the soil, leveling it out, making sure it's smooth and ready to accept the sod. In this image, you'll see that the sod is just starting to be put down. The soil is completely prepped and ready to go, free of debris, rocks, large tree roots, any other kinds of roots or obstruction. Also, the white powdery stuff that you're seeing here, that's a fertilizer that will help the sod or the turf to grab hold and really get a strong start. The key to success with sodding is prep your turf area. So you can see a straight rake is being used. Another key to success with putting down sod is not only prep, but you want to stagger your sod rolls as you go along. In this next image, you'll see that they're staggering the sod. That means you don't line up one roll right against the other so that you have one long seam. This helps the sod to grow securely and not create a space where an entire portion will lift up. In this image, you can see this gentleman is putting sod down and he's doing exactly as he should, putting it right up against each other, make sure it's smooth and flat to the surface so that way the roots will definitely grab hold and you will be successful. Now, the last step to really being successful with laying sod down is water. You've got to water, and more water. Don't let that sod dry out. You don't want to create puddling either, and you don't want it to be left sitting stagnant water. You want to make sure you have good drainage. That falls back to your prep, obviously. And now, you know.